Welcome to English Around the Clock with Miss Amira Zain. Today we're going to talk about two main subjects in English, greetings and days of the week. النهاردة هنتكلم عن موضوعين مهمين قوي بالإنجليش، التحيات وأيام الأسبوع. Let's start with greetings. تعالوا نبدأ بالتحيات. Good morning. Good morning بقولها الصبح وانا صاحي من النوم قبل الظهر، طبعا قبل الساعة 12 الظهر ببدأ أقول good morning لأي حد بقابله في الشارع. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon بقولها بعد الساعة 12 الظهر، يعني من الساعة 12 الظهر وبعدها أول ما تبقى 12 PM تبقى good afternoon. Good afternoon يعني مساء الخير كده. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening بقولها وانا داخل بسلم على ناس واحنا رايح لهم بالليل، خلاص بقى الدنيا ليلت وانا داخل لهم البيت بسلم عليهم بقول لهم good evening، ازيكم كده، زي ايه، اهلا وسهلا. Good evening مساء الخير برضه. Good night. Good night بقولها وانا داخل انام، يعني good night دي انا مش بقولها وانا داخل اسلم على حد، لا ده وانا داخل انام بقول له ايه، زي احلاما سعيده كده، ليله سعيده. Good night. Okay. Good night. One more time. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Okay. Now days of the week. أيام الأسبوع. عايز أسأل حد أقول له هو النهاردة إيه؟ النهاردة يوم إيه؟ هقول له What day is it today? What day is it today? What day is it today? النهاردة يوم إيه؟ المفروض هو يبدأ يرد عليا يقول لي it is ويقول لي اليوم. تعالوا بقى نقرأ مع بعض. It's Saturday. It's Saturday. Saturday. It's Saturday. النهاردة السبت. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. Sunday. It's Sunday. النهاردة الأحد. It's Monday. It's Monday. Monday. It's Monday. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's Thursday. Thursday. It's Thursday. It's Friday. It's Friday. Okay. If you like the video, press like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching on Facebook, like and follow my page for more videos like this. Goodbye.